Hey guys, in this video we're going to walk through the process of logging into the Connect Maryland Secure Portal for the first time if you already have a Google Apps email address. First thing we're going to do is we're going to type our Google Apps login name in this field here where it says maryland.gov ID. The first thing the browser is going to do is check to see if there's a second factor available for me to log in. If there isn't, it's going to redirect me to a page to have me enter some of that information. First time login profile initialization. So here you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in your maryland.gov ID one more time. And we can see that some of the information is filled in, but some of the required information is not filled in. So the first thing we're going to need to do is fill in our POSC employee ID. You can get this by logging into the POSC website. This number is important if you are a state employee. If you're not a state employee, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to type something else in there. You're going to type in non-state. The next thing we have to do is we have to answer the knowledge base questions. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the questions from the drop-down list. As you can see here, there's a number of questions for each list. I'm going to answer the questions in a way that's easy for me to remember. You'll notice up top that there's some other fields here, mobile telephone numbers and personal email accounts. You can enter this information here because this can be used as an alternative second factor instead of these knowledge-based questions, or a POSC employee ID that's going to be automatically assigned to you if you're a non-state employee. Once you've entered all the information, go ahead and click Update. This will take us back to the login site. I'm going to type in my user ID again. And this time we can see it's going to prompt me for some sort of second factor. I'm going to go ahead and use the knowledge-based questions in this case, because I've not received the confirmation email of what my POSC employee ID actually is. So I'm going to go ahead and click Submit, and then it's going to ask me to answer the questions that I just filled in. It then prompts me to put in my password. This should be the same password as I use for my Google Apps account. If that password doesn't work, go ahead and click on the Forgot Password link at the bottom and follow the instructions there. And we can see here the applications that we have access to. I can see there's Google Apps for Maryland.gov, the ability to update my profile, the Hub, Cornerstone Learning Management System, and a password reset page. If you want to log out, go ahead and click on the Restart Login button down at the bottom and it will log you out of this site. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you again next time.